Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve first 15 question of chapter 3 playing with numbers for class 6. Remaining question we will solve in next video. Please watch the video and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Question number 1. If a number p is exactly divisible by q, then q is a dash of p and p divided by q will have dash as a remainder. If number p is exactly divisible by q, then q is a factor of p. And p divided by q will have 0 as a remainder. So C is the right answer. Question 2. What least value should be given to star so that the number this is divisible by 11? The number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digit in odd place and the sum of its digit in even place is either 0 or divisible by 11. A number is 6, 5, 3, star 4, 7. Now the sum of the digit at even places is equal to 7 plus star plus 5. 7 means 12 plus star. And sum of digit at odd places means 4 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 13. And if number is divisible by 11, then the difference between these two is 0. Means 13 minus 12 plus star is equal to 0. Means 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. If we put instead of star 1, then 12 plus 1 13 and 13 minus 13 is 0. So star will be 1 and that number will be 6, 5, 3, 1, 4, 7 which is exactly divisible by 11. So here D is correct answer. Question number 3. Which of the following number is not divisible by 8? A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digit in 100, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. So we check first option. The number formed by last digit is 672 which is divisible by 8. In option B, the number formed by last three digit is 132 which is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. Answer B is right answer. Question number 4. The smallest number which when divided by 20, 25, 35 and 40 leaves a remainder of 14, 19, 29 and 34 respectively is dash. Here the difference between this and remainder is 6 and it is same as in all 25, 19, 6, 35, 29, 6, 40 and 34, 6. Their LCM is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 20, 25, 35 and 40. So we first find out their LCM. So 20 is divisible by 2, so 10 2s are 20, 25 is not divisible by 2, 35 also not divisible by 2, 40 2 into 20, 40. Then again 10 is divisible by 2, 2 5s are 10, 25 as it is, 35 as it is, here 2 10s are 20. Now again 2, 5 as it is, 25 as it is, 35 as it is, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5. Now again 5, 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5, 7 as it is, 1 as it is. Now 7, 1 as it is, here 1 as it is, 7 ones are 7, and here 1 as it is. So their LCM is multiplication of this. So LCM is equal to 1400. Required number will be 6 less than LCM, means minus 6 is equal to 1394. So 1394 is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 20, 25, 35 and 40. So here A is the right answer. Question number 5. The HCF of two consecutive odd number is 1. D is right answer. If I take 3 as an odd number and 5 as an odd number, so their HCF is 1. Question number 6. The HCF of two number is 28 and their LCM is 336. If one number is 112, then other number is dash. One number is 112 and other number we take it as x. The equation is product of two number, means 112 into x is equal to LCM into HCF, means 28 into 336, means here x is equal to 28 into 336 divided by 112. 28 ones are 28 and 28 fours are 112 and 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32 and 4 fours are 16. So answer is 84. Other number is 84. So B is right answer. Question number 7. Which of the following statement is true? Statement A. 1 is the smallest prime number. 1 is not prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. So this statement is wrong. Statement B. If two numbers are co-prime, then at least one of them must be prime number. 4 and 9 are co-prime number, but both are not prime. So this statement is wrong. Statement C. If number is prime, it must be odd. 2 is prime number, but 2 is not odd number. So this answer also incorrect. Option D. Two consecutive odd numbers are always twin prime. This is the correct statement. So D is correct answer. Question number 8. Observe the following pattern and find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus dash 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 plus 19. Here given the sum of odd number up to 9. Means what will come here? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Total of this is 100 and 100 means 10 into 10. So C is the right answer. Question number 9. If M and N are co-prime, then their LCM is. Co-primes do not have a common factor other than 1. So their LCM will be M into N. So C is the correct option. Question number 10. The two numbers nearest to 10,000 which is exactly divisible by each of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are. So here we need to find out first the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The LCM is 420 for this number. Now we divide 10,000 by this LCM 420. So 422s are 840. 423s are 1260. So remainder is 340. Now for smaller number we need to do subtraction. 10,000 minus 340. So we will get 9660. Now we need to calculate the difference between LCM and remainder. This difference is 80 and this difference we added to 10,000, we will get the greater number. Here A is a right answer. Question number 11. The co-prime numbers from the following pairs are dash. A pair of two numbers which have no common factor either than 1 are called co-prime numbers. So here option A, 7 and 63, 7 is common in this. In option C, 35 and 21, here also 7 is common because 3 into 7 and here 5 into 7. Here 1 into 7 and 7 into 9. So 7 are common in both A and C. Option B, 36 and 25. Here 6 into 6 and 5 into 5. So only common factor is 1. Option D, 63 and 81. 63 is 7 into 9. 81 is 9 into 9. So 9 is common factor. So in only option B, 1 is a common factor. So B is the pair of co-prime number. Question number 12. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 13 and 1989 respectively. If one of the number is 117, then find the sum of both the numbers. Here given HCF is 13 and LCM 1989 and one number is 117 and our equation is product of two number means 117, we take it as other number, x is equal to LCM into HCM. X is equal to what? Into 13 divided by 117. 13 ones are 13, 13 nines are 117 and 1989 divided by 9 is equal to 221. So other number is 221 and their sum means 117 plus 221 is equal to 338. So here C is the correct answer. Question number 13. The HCF of two number is equal to. Our equation is product of two number is equal to LCF into HCF. So HCF is equal to what? Product of two number divided by LCM. So D is the correct answer. Question number 14. A number is always divisible by 90 if option A, it is divisible by both 2 and 45. 2 into 45 is 90. Option B, if it is divisible by 5 into 18. 5 and 18. 5 into 18 is 90. And C is it is divisible by both 9 and 10. 9 into 10 also 90. So all options are right. B is the correct answer. Question number 15. The reciprocal of the smallest prime number is. Smallest prime number is 2 and its reciprocal is 1 by 2. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.